Ew, those are disgusting. And the worst part about it is, we all have them on our eyelids. Welcome to OCuSOFT, and today we'll be sharing with you how to use OCuSOFT Oust Demodex Cleanser. Before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get all of our amazing videos and content. Demodex mites feed on the oils in your eyelash follicle and can lay their eggs on your eyelash line. Yeah, I'm grossed out too. You may be asking, how do I get rid of these pesky critters? Well, OCuSOFT has your back with OCuSOFT Oust Demodex Cleanser. So watch this video to help protect yourself against Demodex mites. First, remove the pad from the packet. Then, tear open the sealed packet from one of the indentions at the top of the packet. Next, unfold the pad and wrap around your forefinger. Then, with your eyelid closed, use side-to-side motions to scrub your eyelid. Flip the pad over and repeat for the other side. Once you are done, make sure to use water to rinse your eyelids.